Okay, so now we are going to learn lots of words related to cooking. Let's try it out. The first word we have is enfriar. Enfriar. So enfriar means to cool, to make it colder. Enfriar, to cool. Enfriar, enfriar. And the next one is calentar. Calentar. Calentar means to heat up. Calentar, to heat up. Or to warm up, to warm something up. Calentar, to warm up. Calentar is also used, for example, when you do exercise and you need to warm up before. So we use the same word, calentar. Tienes que calentar. You have to warm up. Calentar. So, enfriar for to cool. Enfriar. And calentar to heat up, to warm up. Calentar. Okay. And the first example is: las cervezas se están enfriando en la nevera. The beers are cooling in the fridge. Las cervezas se están enfriando en la nevera. And we can use the word nevera for fridge. Some countries call it nevera, and other countries call it refrigerador, refrigerator, refrigerador. I personally use refrigerador, which is refrigerator, but other people might say nevera, and other countries would also probably say nevera, the fridge, nevera. So nevera or refrigerador, both mean the same, the fridge. And one more example. El fuego calienta la casa. The fire heats the house. El fuego calienta la casa. The fire heats the house. Calentar, to heat up. And let's try some other vocabulary. Here we have agregar. Agregar means to add. Agregar, to add. And the next one is hacer. Hacer. Hacer means to do or to make. Hacer. So yeah, I think you know hacer very well. But agregar means to add. Agregar. Hacer. Agregar. So simple. Hacer, to do, to make. Agregar, to add. And some examples. No le agregues leche a mi café. Don't add milk to my coffee. No le agregues leche a mi café. No le agregues, don't add milk to my coffee. Okay, next one. Estoy haciendo una pizza. So this one would be the second picture. Estoy haciendo una pizza. I'm making a pizza. Estoy haciendo una pizza. I'm making a pizza. So yeah, simple. And let's try another example. So the word for pasta is pasta. So same word basically. Pasta. 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 Okay, and this one is not at all similar to English. Flour. Harina. 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 So yeah, harina, flour. Harina. Do not confuse this one with arena. Arena. Arena means sand. Arena with the letter E. Harina with the letter I means flour. Harina. And arena also doesn't have an H. So arena would start with an A, A-R-E-N-A. Harina, H, and the I. Harina. And the next one, azúcar. which means sugar. Azúcar. Sugar. Azúcar. So one more time. Pasta. Pasta. Harina. Flour. Azúcar. Sugar. Azúcar. And then we have a few other words for cooking. So these are very important for cooking, some of the basic cooking ingredients. The first one is el tomate, the tomato. El tomate, the tomato. El tomate. And the next one is la cebolla, the onion. La cebolla. La cebolla. So cebolla is not at all similar to English. Cebolla, onion. Cebolla, la cebolla. And the third one is also different from English. El ajo. El ajo, the garlic. El ajo. Ajo, garlic. El ajo. And so yeah, el ajo, the garlic. And the next one is a little similar to English. The ginger, el jengibre. So you can see a lot of letters that are still there. El jengibre, the ginger. So there's two G's, there's an I, N, and E and R. So yeah, they have the same letters, just a different order. And a few more letters too. El jengibre, the ginger, jengibre. Okay, one more time. El tomate, the tomato. La cebolla, the onion. El ajo, the garlic. El jengibre, the ginger. Okay, and a few more. We also have sal. Sal, which means salt. Sal, la sal. So sal is feminine. La sal. La sal. Sal, salt. And the second one is also feminine. Pimienta. La pimienta. The pepper. La pimienta. Pimienta. And the third one is especias, which are spices. Especias. So yeah, similar enough to spices. Especias. So these are useful if you ever want to cook some Indian food. There's lots of spices and it tastes very, very good. Especias, spices. And let's try the example. Mi comida favorita es la pasta. My favorite food is pasta. Mi comida favorita es la pasta. So yeah, my favorite food is pasta. Simple. The next one. Mezcla, which means mix. Mezcla harina con un huevo. So mezclar means to mix. Mezclar. And in this conjugation, we are telling people to do it. We're being affirmative. Mezcla harina con un huevo. Mix flour with an egg. Mezcla. Do it. Mezcla. Mix it. Mezcla harina con un huevo. Another example. ¿Quieres azúcar en tu té? Would you like sugar in your tea? ¿Quieres azúcar en tu té? So yeah, ¿quieres azúcar? Would you like? ¿Quieres azúcar en tu té? Would you like sugar in your tea? And the next one is a very common dish in Asia, which especially in China, eggs and tomatoes. Yo como huevos con tomate todas las mañanas. I eat eggs with tomatoes every morning. And this meal is actually quite good. This dish tastes very good. Actually, I did this one. This is a picture that I took. So yeah, don't judge my cooking, but okay. Yo como huevos con tomate todas las mañanas. I eat eggs with tomatoes every morning. I don't eat eggs and tomatoes every morning, but it's a good example, and I did cook that, so it's a proud moment for me. Okay, next one. Esta receta tiene cebollas, ajo y muchas especias. This recipe has onions, garlic, and lots of spices. Esta receta tiene cebollas, ajo y muchas especias. So this one looks like a curry, maybe some tomatoes too. So yeah, I like that curry too. Okay, let's try the next one. Pásame, which means... So we're using the verb pasar, which means to pass. Or pasar can also mean to happen. Something that happened, algo que pasó. Or pasar, just to pass. So to pass or to happen. So, pásame la sal y pimienta. Pass me the salt and pepper. And once again, we are being affirmative. We're telling people to do it. Tú pasa me. Pass to me. Pasa, you pass. Me, pásame, pass to me. Pásame la sal y pimienta. Or la sal y la pimienta. You can say sal y pimienta or sal y la pimienta. Both are okay. And let's try some other ones because it's a long lesson and we're cooking. So there's a lot of vocabulary. We also have mililitros. Mililitros, which means milliliters. It's hard to pronounce actually. Mililitros. I think I struggle a little bit too. Mililitros. Lots of li. Mililitros. Milliliters. And the last one is litros, which means liters. Litros. Mililitros. Mil from 1000. Litros. Liters. Mililitros. And litros, liters. And let's try the examples. Esta botella contiene 300 mililitros de agua. Esta botella, this bottle, contains 300 milliliters of water. Esta botella contiene 300 mililitros de agua. And another example. Esta botella contiene, this bottle contains, contiene alrededor, around, de 1 litro de vino, a liter of wine. So one more time. Esta botella contiene alrededor de 1 litro de vino. This bottle contains about a liter of wine. 1 litro de vino. Okay, so that's it for this one. It's a long lesson and check out the Quizlet because there's a lot of vocabulary in this one. So once again, thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.